And this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're making dessert first. I'm making something called Angel Lush. And what you do is you take an angel food cake, it's just a store-bought angel food cake, and you slice it evenly into 3 pieces. And then you also need a small package of vanilla pudding. I accidentally bought sugar-free, but hey, what can that hurt? And you need a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. I'm going to open this up and you mix the pudding mix. Shoot. And with the pineapple, do not drain the pineapple. It's just going to thicken the pineapple up a little bit. Oh, I forgot a spoon. It's not melt. Then you want to take a cup of Cool Whip, thawed Cool Whip, and add this to it. I bought extra creamy. Yep. My friend used to make this. I didn't know it had a name. It's called Angel Lush. I used to have her make me a dessert. I'm wearing it. Yeah, probably a good thing I bought sugar-free. This is going to be sweet. Man, it did fall in the middle, but that's alright. And this is really all there is to it. Now I do have a berry medley and berry mix that I bought, frozen mix, that I bought that you put on when you serve it, if you want it. And this must be kept in the refrigerator, of course. I'm not going to cut it yet because it's too early. I'm going to wait till after dinner whenever it's dessert time. And I'll put the berries on it. So we'll bring you back whenever I serve this up. Be back after a while. Alright, sorry. I'm arguing with Tony. Alright, I'm ready for a piece of cake. I've got a mixture of raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Mm. Yeah, I gotta take a shot.
For sure.
Aww. Oh well. Alright, our Angel Lush is done. I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you on the family. And when you do, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Share this out on your social media. Get out of there. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. Alright guys, dessert's ready. Talk to y'all later. Bye.